Looking for the perfect motion sensor light for your portable toilet? Check out the J-Light. The J-Light is solar powered and motion sensored. It comes in two sizes, 45 lumens and 65 lumens. To install the J-Light, simply use a 1.5 inch hole saw for the 45 lumen model, or a 2 inch hole saw for the 65 lumen model. Then, drill a hole in the roof. Then, you can use a pocket knife to clean out the hole. Once your hole is ready to go, simply turn your J-Light on and test your J-Light out by covering the solar panel with your hand. Then take off the clear lens cap and the locking ring and stick your J-Light into the hole. Then, from the inside of the toilet, tighten the J-Light down with the lock ring. And attach the clear lens cap. You can also use silicone or thread locker on the threads for extra security. Now your J-Light is ready to go and will automatically turn on from motion when it is dark out. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-345-3303 or 706-743-1900 or email us at info@jjkim.com.